Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is by using a contact list, so you can block a number which you've got currently saved, or you can do it by using kind of the settings. Of course, I'll show you both options. Let me start with a contact list. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers, confirm it, and as you can see right here we've got this characteristic icon, which simply means that from now on this number is blocked and your device will not show you any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same way right here. However, let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So right now we can go back, and the second way, as I said before, is by using kind of the settings. So here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see this is our blacklist and we've got the number we blocked from our contacts. This way is also different because here you can simply enter the number manually. Just tap on add a number, and as you can see you've got the section, you can enter it on the keypad or you can paste it if you've got it copied, of course. Let's tap on block, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist also. What is more, we've got this option unknown, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers, so it may be useful sometimes in some situations. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and you can also unblock the number just by tapping on this X button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.